Maintaining a ship's engine room is crucial for ensuring operational reliability and safety at sea. In 25, proactive care is more important than ever. Let's dive into the essential tasks that keep these massive vessels running smoothly and prevent major breakdowns. First up, filter cleaning and replacement. The engine room is a bustling hub of activity, and contaminants can easily clog filters, leading to reduced efficiency. Regularly checking and replacing oil and fuel filters is vital. A clean filter ensures that the engine receives the right amount of fuel and oil, optimizing performance and extending the life of the machinery. It's a simple task that can save thousands in repairs down the line. Next, we have battery maintenance. Batteries are the lifeblood of a ship's electrical systems. Regularly inspecting battery terminals for corrosion and ensuring proper fluid levels can prevent unexpected failures. A well-maintained battery not only powers essential systems, but also provides peace of mind, knowing that everything is functioning as it should. Now, let's talk lubrication techniques. Proper lubrication reduces friction and wear on moving parts, which is essential for keeping engines and machinery running smoothly. It's important to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for lubricant types and application intervals. Using the right tools like grease guns and oil pumps can make this process efficient and effective. Remember, a well-lubricated engine is a happy engine. Ventilation system checks are another critical aspect of engine room maintenance. A well-ventilated engine room helps to regulate temperature and prevent overheating. Regularly inspecting fans, ducts, and air filters ensures that air flows freely. This not only protects the machinery but also creates a safer working environment for the crew. Let's not forget about the essential tools that make these maintenance tasks easier. A good toolkit should include wrenches, screwdrivers, multimeters, and inspection cameras. These tools help in diagnosing issues before they escalate into major problems. Investing in quality tools can make a significant difference in the efficiency of maintenance work. The importance of these tasks cannot be overstated. Proactive maintenance is the key to operational reliability and maritime safety. By staying ahead of potential issues, we can avoid costly breakdowns and ensure that our ships are always ready for the next voyage. For those looking to dive deeper into ship maintenance, I encourage you to visit our blog for more insights and tips. There's a wealth of information available that can help you enhance your maintenance practices. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Together, we can keep our ships safe and operational for years to come.